New Dr. Grabow Freehand. $20. Came with a pipe stand. And you know, new, these are $50. It was with shipping $20, so not bad. And I don't know if you can see, but this pipe has these white specks on it, and it looks like somebody was smoking it and spray painting something, and then the wind blew the spray paint onto the pipe. Sorry about that. So I'm gonna sand this finish off and maybe stain it if I don't like the way it looks natural, or I might just polish it up at that point. But there's nothing wrong with this pipe. It still smokes well. It's got these black spots, and I don't know what that is. Kind of looks like burn marks, but I don't know. But it's just not burnt. It's not burnt through or anything. So I couldn't tell you what that is, but I'm going to go ahead and sand it down and make it look better. Still smokes well. Dr. Grabow. They always smoke well. I've been looking at Savinelli's. I want a Savinelli to dedicate to my Friday pipe. Those of you who know why I would want to do that, I'm sure a lot of you do. Savinelli 673 in particular. And I keep looking, and they're $100, and I'm thinking, man, how many Dr. Grabows can I get for $100? So, may settle halfway and get a Rossi. And I'll still call it my Friday Savinelli. You already know. Captain Black again. Definitely no snobbery on this channel. Captain Black and Dr. Grabow is about as everyday man or as working man as you can get. But these Dr. Grabow pipes are good. I really don't. I've never even had one that I didn't think was a good smoker. And I've got 6 now, and they're all really good pipes. So, don't you love how hats make your hair come out? Like I'm Wolverine, like I've got devil horns. But I'll keep you updated on this this pipe. I imagine it won't turn out too great, because I've never done that before. At least when it comes to a pipe. You know, I usually smoke straight pipes. This is pretty bent for me. And I've never really cared much for a bent pipe. Just based on looks. They smoke just as well as the straight ones, I suppose. They might gurgle worse if you're drooling, because you've got that angle that will gurgle it down in there. But anyway, I guess I better go see what he's barking at. Talk to you later.